Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the extension in Gandi IDE called Quake. So, first, we're going to open up Gandi IDE, and we are going to go to extensions. There's these ones that you can get from scratch. Nobody really knows how to use microbit though. And then if you scroll down, there's a bunch. There's simple MMO, there's more sensing, stuff like that. But I'm going to show you how to use Quake. So we're just going to install the Gandi Quake. Once it's installed, you're going to go to code and you can see a bunch of stuff. Now I'm going to show you some of them. So there's glitch, which is like a regular kind of glitch. Then there's shake. So there's glitch, shake, shockwave, noise blur, Gaussian blur, bloom, and noise color. Now, there's a bunch of stuff, and I'm going to be making a simple collecting game with this. So I'm going to delete the sprite. You don't really have to use it. So I'm going to just delete it. And I'm going to choose something for our sprite. So once these load, you can see them. I'm going to choose a sci-fi monster just for fun. Going to drag that onto the stage. If it doesn't work, then make a new sprite and drag it into the sprite and then it pops up. Now we have our little sci-fi monster thing. Can't really see it. Oh, and if your effects are still on, you could just go back and put disable and remove all effects, and it makes it more clear. So what we're gonna do is change the backdrop so that we could see the the character properly. So we're just gonna choose a spray backdrop. How we're gonna choose a backdrop. I'm gonna choose something where you can see easily. So I'm gonna I'll just choose stars. Actually, no, that's too dark. I can't see anything. I'll choose blue sky. Okay. We're just gonna make this big enough to fit the whole screen. We're done. Okay. Now that we're done, we're gonna start making movement. We're gonna do simple movement where it follows the mouse. So when green flag clicked forever, move 10 steps and point in direction. Mouse pointer. So you have simple movement, but this is going backwards. So what I'm gonna do is change this to look the other way. So now it's regular and circular. Okay, now that we're done, kind of moving slow, so I'm just gonna change this to 15 really quick. And we need something for the alien to. There's probably something in the assets marketplace, so we're gonna go here. Costumes and other. Okay, so there's stuff. I'm gonna choose you like it. Okay. Turn on all this stuff so you can look through it and find something that you want the sci-fi monster to eat. I think I know what I want mine to eat. So there's a little gem and I'm gonna choose that gem. All you have to do is click the little robot and the plus sign, and then it adds it to your cloud backpack. Once you're done, you're gonna go into your cloud backpack and make a new sprite and drag that in there, and we're done. Okay, so the monster is really big and the gem is really small. So I'm gonna change the size of the monster to 50. So now it looks more even. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make it so that you collect the gems. So we're gonna put when green flag clicked, forever, and if then. We're gonna go to sensing and put if touching sprite 2. I'm gonna name this gem and I'm gonna name this layer. Okay, so if touching gem, then we're going to broadcast a message. We're gonna call this Colette. Okay, now when we go here, we're gonna put when I receive Colette, then we're going to hide. Now I'm gonna make a simple cloning so that you can see a bunch and there's just not one to collect. So we're gonna put when green flag clicked, forever, and create clone of myself. And instead of forever, we're gonna put Pete 10 times. I want 5. And so it clones 5 times. But there's one problem. You can't see the clones because they're all stacking on top of each other. So we're gonna put when I start as a clone, I'm also gonna put a when green flag click so it works for the one that we started cloning from. And we're just gonna put show when green flag click so that it shows. And so what we're gonna do is we are going to go to random position and go to random position. On the one for the sprites, I'm gonna put repeat 5 times. And so it goes random position 5 times. But there's one problem. When I receive collect, just delete that because when I get 1, I get all of them. So we're gonna make it so we can only collect 1 at a time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put when green flag clicked and when sprites clicked. And we're gonna put if touching for both of them and forever for both of them. Then we're gonna put if touching player, and we're gonna do the same thing. And we're gonna put hide. I accidentally put when this sprite quizzes, but when I start scrolling. Now we can collect 1 at a time. Now when we collect them, I want them to spawn back. So create clone of myself, if touching player hide, then we're gonna put wait 1 second and then spawn them back again. And we're gonna make sure they go to random position when they spawn back. Okay. Let's try. You can eat them. They spawn back in random positions. Now, when you eat them, I want to make it so that you can glitch. Like when you eat, you glitch. So we're gonna go back to player and we're gonna put reflect click forever if touching, and then we're gonna put gem. And when we're done putting gem, we're gonna go to Quake and we're gonna choose which one you want to do. I wanna choose shake. And so when we try it, let's see if it works. When you eat them, it shakes the screen. Now, you could also do this for other games where the shake actually works, like a hammer game when you hammer on something, or like a clicker game. But for now, I'm just using it in a clicker game to demonstrate how easy it is to use the glitch. Unlike Scratch, when you use the glitch, you have to do like a bunch of code. Thanks for watching. Bye!